You had a plan today. A real one. You knew exactly what needed to be done. But then, one notification. One scroll. One let me just watch this one video. And suddenly it's midnight. The plan is untouched. And you're lying in bed. Feeling like you wasted another day. Look straight into camera. Here's the thing. Most people think the problem is laziness. Or no discipline. Or just being bad at time management. But that's wrong. The real reason is something else. Something deeper. And once you understand it, you will never look at your day the same way again. The real reason. Scientists ran an experiment. A strange one. They put people in an empty room. No phone. No book. No music. Just a chair. And 4 walls. But there was one thing in the room. A single button. Press it. And you get a small electric shock. The instructions were simple. Sit here for 15 minutes. Do nothing. Let curiosity build. You know what happened? More than half the people pressed the button. On purpose. They chose pain. Over sitting quietly. One guy pressed it 190 times. In 15 minutes. Small pause, then continue. Now think about that. Every time you pick up your phone instead of studying. Every time you open Instagram instead of starting your work. You are pressing that same button. Just a less painful version. Because here is the truth. You are not lazy. You are not undisciplined. You are avoiding something that feels uncomfortable. Maybe it is fear of failing. What if I start, and it is not good enough? Maybe it is fear of judgment. What if people see my work and laugh? Maybe it is even fear of success. What if I do well, and now people expect even more? All three look the same from the outside. A student scrolling at 2 p.m. So stop calling yourself lazy. You are not lazy. You are scared. And that is actually good news. Because scared can be fixed. Lazy cannot. The myths. But before we talk about the 1%, we need to destroy some lies. Lie number 1. Productive people work all day. Charles Darwin. One of the greatest minds in human history. The man who changed how we understand life itself. He worked 4 hours a day. That is it. 4 hours. Then he walked. Read. Rested. Busy is not productive. Busy is just busy. Beat second lie. Lie number 2. Multitasking saves time. Every time you switch between tasks, your brain has to restart. Refocus. Find its place again. Scientists call it a switching cost. And it cuts your productivity by 40%. You are not multitasking. You are just failing at multiple things. At the same time. Slow down. Third lie is the biggest. Lie number 3. And this one is the biggest. Productivity is about managing time. It is not. Time is fixed. You have 24 hours. Elon Musk has 24 hours. The most successful student you know has 24 hours. Time cannot be managed. Time cannot be saved. Time just moves. What can be managed is your energy. Your focus. Your attention. That is the real game. And the 1% figured this out. The 5 secrets. So what do they actually do? 5 things. Let's go. Number 1. They protect their best hours. Jeff Bezos built one of the biggest companies in history. And he refuses to take important meetings before 10 a.m. Not because he is lazy. Because he knows something. His brain works best between 10 a.m. and noon. So that window belongs to him. And nothing touches it. Most students wake up. And the first thing they do is check their phone. Before their brain has even fully loaded. And just like that, the best hours of the day are gone. Spent on someone else's content. Someone else's thoughts. Someone else's life. Find your best hours. Morning? Night? Afternoon? Whenever you feel most sharp, that time is yours. Protect it like it is worth money. Because it is. Number 2. They make tasks so specific. That starting becomes easy. Elon Musk plans his entire day in 5-minute blocks. Every block has one job. 1. Not 3. 1. Here is why this matters. Study today is not a plan. That is a wish. Read Chapter 3. From 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. That is a plan. Vague tasks are easy to avoid. Specific tasks are easy to start. That is the whole secret. Number 3. Every morning they ask one question. What is the one thing that only I can do today? Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day just reading and thinking. That sounds like doing nothing. But for him, thinking clearly is the work. That is where all the value comes from. Everything else gets handled by someone else. You do not need a team to apply this. Just look at your day and ask, what actually needs me? What moves my life forward? Start there. Every single day. Without exception. Number 4. They treat learning like a daily habit. Warren Buffett reads for 5 to 6 hours every day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Mark Cuban reads more than 3 hours a day. There is a concept called the 5-hour rule. 1 hour a day. 5 days a week. Just for learning. 1 hour sounds small. But do it every day. And in 1 year that is 365 hours. That is more than most people learn in a decade. Compounding every single day. Getting sharper every single year. While everyone else stays exactly the same. Number 5. This one will feel wrong. But stay with me. The 1% rest. On purpose. Your brain has something called the default mode network. When you stop focusing hard, this network switches on. And this is where your best ideas come from. The shower idea. The walk idea. The 2 a.m. idea that hits you out of nowhere. That is not random. That is your brain doing its deepest work. Jeff Bezos sleeps 8 hours every night. He has said it publicly. Sleep is his number 1 productivity tool. A rested brain makes better decisions in 2 hours than a tired brain makes in 10. Rest is not wasted time. Rest is fuel. What to do now? You just learned 5 things. Things most people will never know. But here is the hard truth. Knowing is not enough. Everyone knows they should study. Not everyone does. So here is what you do. 4 steps. Pick even one. Start today. Step 1. Track your time for 7 days. Write down every hour. Honestly. Not how you plan to spend it. How you actually did. Most people find 2 to 3 hours disappearing every day into things they cannot even remember. Step 2. Find your best hours. Rate your energy every 2 hours for 2 weeks. 1 to 10. The pattern will show up fast. Then put your hardest work in your highest hours. Step 3. Tomorrow morning. Before you touch your phone, write one thing. The single most important task of your day. Then block 2 hours for it. No notifications. No switching. Just that one thing. That is it. 3 steps. You do not need to do all 3 at once. Pick one. Start today. Small things done every day will always beat big plans done never. Remember the beginning of this video? You had a plan. And it disappeared. The 1% are not smarter than you. They are not more talented than you. They do not have more hours than you. They just made one decision. That their time is worth protecting. That is it. That is the whole secret. The only question is, when will you make that same decision? Drop a comment below. One honest answer. What is the one thing that wastes most of your time? If this helped, like the video. It takes 2 seconds. And it helps more people find this. See you in the next one.